All right, gang, welcome back. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream. I hope everybody had a fantastic day today. Yeah, it's been a pretty productive day. And I'm actually implementing this trade locker chart here. My trading view, for some reason, I couldn't get it to upload. I don't know what's going on with it. So I'm gonna use my trade locker, which is the same trading view interface from one of my accounts here. So yeah, we'll trade with this today, and yeah, we're on gold. Let's dive in. We have a new 4-hour. Well, this chart actually, with this broker, the 4-hour candle actually opens in the next 20 minutes. But yeah, let's either way take a look here and mark up our levels here. Let me just pop my keys here. All right, let's see what we got here. All right. Matter of fact, on the 4-hour, we're looking at this level right here. Ooh, let me change this color. Let's take a look here. All right, so initially we had this support here, right in this area here, but we already broke below there, and now we broke back above, then came back down, and so we're kind of ranging in this area here. So we formed this new resistance right there, right, and then we have our support level right here. So this is kind of where we're ranging at in the 4-hour. So in this range here, you know, now we're waiting to see if this candle is going to break out. But notice how this 4-hour candle has no bottom wick. So this thing popped up, made a top wick, wiped out the highs here, and now it's kind of pulling back down. So, you know, I'm interested. Let me see if I can bring this up a little bit. So yeah, just watching for this range here. You know, we never came back to retest. Look, notice how we were just ranging right below at the bottom of the range here, and then we popped up, came down, but never made it all the way back down here. But this candle has no bottom wick here, so a little tricky. All right, let me get rid of those lines there. Perfect. All right, let's look at the 1-hour here. All right, 1 hour's pulling back, no bottom wick. Wow. So this but if we're gonna do the breakdown here, right, we did form this resistance right here, right? Notice how we went up, came down, went up here, failed to break, but this candle closed above. Now this candle's coming down to retest. I might be interested in buys here, gang. I mean, this is a very simple setup. You know, we had this resistance form. We ranged on the bottom here all day. Then we came up, right? Once we broke out, we never really came up to this level. Look at that. All that space in between these candles. We ranged at the bottom here. Then we came up, rejected, came up, rejected, came a little bit further down. Now we flip up, and now we finally closed above on the 1 hour. The only thing that makes me a little hesitant is this 1 hour candle here. First of all, these two have no bottom wick. This candle is currently bearish, but what I would do is I would like to see, because if this candle currently can close above here, that means the 4 hour is going to close above the range there. So I would kind of wait to see if we can close above, or maybe come back up. If we re-break the highs here, I would like the entry there. Or let's take a look at the, let me see what the support. I would even say this level right there. It's either come down, break this, and come down and fill the range down here, or are we gonna break up? And look at all the space we have up here. Yeah, I mean, we can come back up to like 33.90 around there, maybe at least. Yeah, we got this resistance here, resistance, then support. Yeah, so we could come back up to like 33.83 at the least. That would be the range right there to trade. I mean, I'm looking at this break. I mean, I really like it here, man. This thing could run back up. It looks good, gang, to go back up. Put 30-minute looking like it. Okay, we got the break. Reach it down. No bottom and no top wick here. Oh my goodness. What in the world, gold? Hey, Sean. Yeah, 15-minute bullish. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. Look at this 30 though. I mean, we did get the breakout, but what's the 15 looking like? Let's take a look at the 15 here. Yeah, you look at the 15. Look at that. Then we broke out, and now we're retesting. And I'm liking the buys here, gang. I like to trade off the 1 hour, gang. Damn. Let me see what the levels were here. Yeah, I mean, this would probably be the target. I mean, it could still run up to the top side here, all the way up here, but this move here, man, that's like 200, more like 100 something pips. And we did close above, came down. Gang, I'm gonna take a buy here, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna set up. Let me see. Hold on. Before I do that, gang, hold on. Yeah, it's 170 pips. Yeah, I wouldn't mind that. All right. Yeah, gang. Yeah, I took a buy here. Here's my low position. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Stops are gonna be right there. All right. That's the trade, gang. We're in it now. Let's see if this thing plays out. Jose Trades, my man. What's up, brother? Yeah. The only thing that's a little skeptical to me is that these candles have no bottom wick, but but we got that strong bullish move, right? We broke out, closed above. Now we came down, make the bottom wick on this 1 hour, and then we should continue to move up here. So yeah, I'm in here. Yeah, this is my trade locker. Man, it's not the same. I didn't have time to really clean it up a little bit. I don't like these lines on the back of the screen here, but my trading view I couldn't upload it because that's why I got on a little late today because I was trying to get on around 9 and I just couldn't open up my trading view. Something was wrong with it. I had to reinstall it and all this other nonsense. So I said I don't have time for this. I'll deal with it later. But the trade locker, on this account is good because as you can see right here on the left here, it says the price. Down here in this box where I have my quick trade, which is my sell and buy button. I could just click on it. Here I can set up my lot sizes or whatever it is. 0.01s or whatever. Yeah, I took a one lot trade here on this one now, so yeah. So we're in it now. So currently running about 35 bucks in profit, gang. So let's see how this goes, man. Can I put text on that? I like to always put. Let me try it. Yeah, it should work the same, bro. So I just want to see if it prints on the screen. It'll work. There we go. Yeah, this thing is small, but I'll fix it. These letters are like man small, but I'll fix it in a. I gotta do that here, bro. This thing is too small. It's 40. Wait, that's too big. All right, let's go 32. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, there we go. That's more my style. I had everything set up on my trading view, but this thing, why is it that it keeps clicking away? Bro, this is getting annoying. Can I change this? Ah, dang it. Can I retype it? My goodness, bro. I'm acting like a rookie here, bro. I'm trying to freaking set this up and it won't let me. What was the entry, guys? I didn't even get it. 3366.93. Damn. Because I had everything all set up on my trading view. It's like easy click and it just does it. But here, I didn't really set this up for anything because I just use it to hit the buy and sell button on my trades. All right, stop loss 3353.92 and TP. All right. Yeah, we're running what is that? Wow, like almost 200 bucks here, gang. Not bad. All right. TP is at the top of the range, 3383.46, or let's say dot 50. Make it even. All right, that's our trade, gang, right there. Information's on the top of the screen. We're already in it. Let's see if I'm running about 200 bucks here. Let's see if uh, nah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Now that we came down and made the low, and now we're flipping. If we reflip bullish, right? Let's say once we re-break, uh, I'll probably even go break even at that point. Only I would have said I'll move the stop loss just below the current 1 hour wick, because it's very unlikely that once it flips, it'll come back down to break its own low. But it hasn't flipped yet, so I have to hold this risk for now here. In the meantime, but yeah, we're up about what was that? Yeah, about 20 pips, a little under 20 pips. Oh, there we go. Oh, I gotta send something here. Hold on one sec. Uh, I forgot about this. Sorry, again, give me a sec. Trade's running there, but this I gotta update my platform members here real quick. Yeah. Oh, this thing flipped. Oh, damn, I'm still writing this message, gang. Yeah, we're running about 33 pips here, gang. I move stops to BE. Wow, risk-free trade. There it is. Risk-free trade. Let me do that here. What the hell is this? No. Current trade. Oh, I gotta click on this. My bad. Oh, let me see if I can move this here. Yeah. What was it again? I'm used to having a one click for everything here, but now I gotta freaking do this manually. It's all good. Going back old school. 3, 6, 7. No, that's not it. Yeah, that's it right there. All right. All right, done. All right, gang. Yeah. So I'm break even there. And oh, is it gonna pull back down? Come on, man. You already flipped bullish. All right, let's hold on to it there. See if we survive the pullback here. This should continue to move up. And once I saw it flip bullish, I went break even. It was up 33 pips at that time. All right, we'll keep holding it here. Let's see. If it takes me out, I might re-enter if it makes a steeper wick. Yeah, we're still in it here, gang. Jesus. All right, gang. Yeah, we're still in it here. See if it'll continue to push up here. It might wick me out here. If it wicks me out, I might still get back in, but oh well, I'm still in it. It's close to my break even there. Oh, Courtney, my man, thank you. Guys, look at this. I typed go sell instead of go buy. I didn't even realize it, but I'm trying to edit this, but it never lets me edit this damn thing. Oh wait. Oh, it wicked me out. Oh yeah, it took me out at BE. All right, well I'm gonna erase this anyway. All right, it hit my BE here, gang. Yeah, I'm gonna mess with it with this new. All right. Either way, I got wicked out here. Just hit my BE real quick there, but it's cool. I'm gonna see if we can. It's planning to pull down a little bit. I'll take a buy again if we tap in here. Let's see. I might be looking to get in very soon. It's not too far from my original entry. It's starting to come down a little bit. Might even get a better entry. It's 3 minutes to candle closure, right? I'm gonna wait these 3 minutes, gang. I want to just make sure this candle closes above, which means that the 4 hour, moving into the 4 hour real quick. That means the 4 hour will close above. On the 4 hour, it actually has a bottom wick here. You see that bottom wick there? So we just need the closure above here on the 4 hour. Actually, I just need a closure above this level on the 4 hour here. We got 3 minutes here for this 4 hour candle to close here. So let's see how it closes. You know, this thing can pull down and close below the resistance there, and we're gonna get caught up. So let's just be patient, and if you guys are still in it, you know, you feel free to hold. You know, this thing might still run up, but I need to see it close above right there. I'm just gonna wait a little bit, 2 more minutes, and I'll look to take the buy. I don't mind if the entries are slightly higher than my original entry. It's fine. I'm still gonna get the run up here. And yeah, Courtney, thanks again for the heads up, man. I accidentally typed go sell. I don't know. My mind is all over the place tonight. Yeah, look, it's running up in profit from when we got in, but I had just got wicked out, but I'll wait patiently here. It's still a nice range to move up here, so let me wait on it. Yeah, Sean, it's like up and down here and everything. So I think just the confirmation of the closure. That's kind of what I'm waiting on. We already got the breakout. You know, this candle just came down to retest. Next candle should pop up. That's the idea, but let's see. You know, we do have a new 4 hour candle opening up, so it could potentially make a bottom wick first. Maybe come down and make the wicks for these candles here. We might get a steep bottom wick down here, and then the pop up. Let's see. All right, here we go. We closed above here. If we got a little bit of a bottom wick here, I'll take the entry again. I'm gonna try to get it right there at that support. If we can push down enough. I don't mind getting in right around this area right here, but if it pops up with no bottom wick, then what can we do? That'll be good if you guys are still holding the buys, whoever's holding buys here. Come on, give me a bottom wick. There we go. Pulling up, no bottom wick. Yeah, that means it might come down and make that bottom wick. It might come and sweep these lows right here before we pop up. Let's wait on it. This thing could just shoot up. If that happens, then I'll let it go. It is what it is. But yeah, if I'm gonna take this buy, I need a bottom wick. Oh, Jose, you closed. Yeah, man. I had it there. I just went break even, but then once it flipped bullish, it just flipped bearish right away. Just came right back down. Because we gotta, even though we broke out from this level right here, but look, notice how we formed kind of a resistance here, because this candle closed bearish on the 1 hour. But now this thing is pumping up, right? No bottom wick. This could come up and then flip and break the lows and come back down. It's a little, that was a pretty nice move up. We were up about 33 pips at one point before it reflipped, but it's okay. I'll wait on it. Yeah. See, look at the 30 minutes. Beautiful. A break, retest. We formed the support here. I just need a bottom wick here to take the buys back up. But I need that bottom wick. Give me a wick, man. Just a wick right to here. Boom. I'll take the buys up. All right. Come on. Let's make that bottom wick. Go be playing games, man. All right. Here we go. Let me see where that. I just want to go back and look at the Fiji that Sean was talking about. Yeah, all right, here we go. Got one here. And that box. I want to see if I can. One right there. I mean, it couldn't do that. Tap here and then pop off. That's possible. Even if I take that buy here at that 1 hour support there, my stops are probably gonna be below the here. Yeah, there was an FV here too, but it already tapped into it. So tapped into the FV. I think that's the one you're talking about, Sean. But it definitely closed within the FEG. So yeah, you got tapped into it, and it's bouncing. But I need a bottom wick. But it can come down to this very small FEG right here. It could possibly do that. I'll leave that there just for reference. Bring it back over here to the 1 hour. All right, we're making that bottom wick I was waiting on. So let's see. I'm still interested in the buys because of the breakout, but Has this whole 1 hour FEG here too. A bigger one too. Wow, is that all you were gonna do? That little bottom wick? Look at that bottom wick. Come on, man. You gotta give me something bigger than that. There we go. Come on. There we go. Come on, go. I wonder if it's gonna come down and just kind of sweep the low here and then flip. But which time frame, Jose? Right on this one, on the 1 hour? I mean down here? Hold on. Where do you see it? My eyes are like, because I don't have the indicators on this chart. Sometimes I have that FEG indicator. All right, there we go. We're tapping into it again. This is an FEG right here. Hasn't been tapped. All right, we're tapping right into support. Okay, look, it's breaking down. Let's see if we get a steeper bottom wick here. I don't mind taking the flip up, man. I'm okay with the risk. Oh, we're popping up here. You see? I wanted to take it right on that line. What? Well, it gave me the bottom wick I wanted. I didn't get in. I thought it was gonna pull down and break this low real quick. All right, it's coming back down here. Because initially I wanted to get in right here. All right, let's see. I might be looking to get in soon, gang. There it goes, coming back down. It's gonna break that low, or oh, popping back up again. Let's see. Nah, I'm not in yet, gang. That was my move. I was about to get in right here, but I thought it was gonna push to break this low, and then I was gonna take the buy in, but it popped up kind of quick. Look, and I think this was it. This is what I was waiting for initially. Just make a bottom wick retest and then continue to move up. This is where I might be looking to get in soon. It breaks the high, I'm getting in. Nope, came back down. I was gonna wait to see if it rebroke its own high. I was gonna tap the buy there. I was just gonna get in. I'm gonna wait a bit. It's either that or another pullback down. But yeah, we might be getting in very soon, gang. I'm also trying to account for spread too, because prices, the spread isn't too bad, but it's like a 1.5 pip spread here. Yeah, it broke the high then. Um, yeah, I'm in, gang. All right. Uh, where's my trade? There it is. This thing is lagging. All right, I got it here. I got it. All right, here we go. Let's get that. Why can't I drag it? I wonder why I can't do that. All right, stops were was it 33, 60? No, it has to be below the FVG, that 15-minute FVG there. 3358. Oh no, that's way too low. Yeah, right here. Yeah, just below it there. I'm good with that. 80 pip stop loss. It's like 800. Oh, I'm risking about 1,000. No, $800. All right, that's more. I like it. That 7. All right. All right. That's the trade, gang. We're in it. That's it. We'll make it work. What is this? Goodness. All right. I'll hold it there. Let's see what happens. You know, I wanted this entry here, but came down. I missed it. And once it rebroke its own high, I took the buy. So I'm good. I'm good here. Yeah, I marked this. This was that 15-minute FEG. It's a small one. But I got my stops just below that there. So it's a 80, like a, what is it? It's like an 85 pip risk. Yeah, gang, we in it now. Let's see what happens. We already came down. Now we should, you know, continue to move up here. Let's see. Yeah, I got in at 3368.56. By the way, what do you guys think about this? I mean, you know, it's like trading view, but this is my trade locker chart. What do you guys think about this chart? Do you like it? It's is it? I mean, it looks the same. I have these lines on the chart though, but I don't know if you guys see that on screen for you guys. But the only thing I haven't had a chance to edit it or anything, but I kind of had to use this as a backup tonight because my trading view, I couldn't get it to work. All right, we're running up. Oh, you know what? Let me set up this long position thing here. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, I'm cool with it, man. I'm cool with that $800 risk. Went in with a one lot, as you guys can see here. Can you even see that on screen? I don't know if you can see this, right? Yeah, I think you guys can see it there. And yeah, profits are right here on the left here, or price, whatever the price is on the trade. Entry price here, TP, stop loss, all that good stuff is all on there. So I like it because it has all those details. So it's just kind of cool. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, bro, it is like every time I click on it, it's, you know, it's like a 2-second delay on everything. It's a little annoying, but it's kind of why I like TradingView. I mean, at least I'm used to TradingView because when I take trades on this particular account, I do it on my phone, and it doesn't lag on the phone, but on the computer here, this laptop is just slow as hell. So yeah, but it is not bad. I mean, for the stream, it looks pretty good as far as I can see. Yeah, we're pretty much around break even. What am I down? I'm down $3 now. Oh, well, no, we're in profit now. It's bouncing there. Let's see. Come on. You already made this bottom wig now. You know, take off. Let's go. Should be short and sweet. Easy trade today. Should get something good. Yeah. Yeah, Sean. It just needs to pop off right here. 15-minute close bullish. Previous, I mean. Because I know when this 1 hour closed. See, look at the lag right there. Oh yeah, closed bullish. Okay. Yeah, pretty good bullish. So that's fine. I think we already came down, retested, and then this is gonna make its way up here. Yeah. All right. Yeah, you see my stops are just below that FEG right here. All right. That's it. We're in it. Now it's all in the hands of probability, gang. It's win or lose. You know, we waited for our setup to present itself and we executed a trade, and that's it. You know, we got hit BE on the first one, and now we got in here. Let's see what happens. Gang, and I have 85 pip stops here. But if you guys want to have your stops, you know, at the just below this previous 1 hour low, you know, if you or right below the current 1 hour, you guys can adjust the stop loss. You know, if you guys don't want to risk as much, you don't have to. You don't have to have the same exact stop loss I have, but you know, just manage your risk. You know, I'm good here. I have a technical stop loss. It's right below that 15-minute FEG. You know, in case it wants to come down and tap into it, you know, I'll give it some room here. But yeah, I'm risking about $800 some on this trade, and I'm good with that. That's me though. You know, you guys don't need to risk 85 pips if you don't want to. Just keep that in mind. All right. All right. Trade is running, gang. Give me a little bit, and I'll be right back. All right. All right. Oh, all right. So we came back down here. It's bouncing off that level there. Hmm. Might be interested in something here, gang. I might be taking a pineapple soon here. Looking down here. Let's see. Broke the low here. Nice. All right. Sweeping those lows. I'm gonna close back up. Let me see. I want to look at the 30 really quick here. Come on. That 30 still respected, but this 30 might break and close below. Yeah, I'm getting it up there. I took a pineapple entry there, gang. What's going on here? Why is look at this thing lagging? Wow, gave me the entry up here. I clicked it down here. All right, so good. This lagging thing is a pain in the ass. All right, I took a pineapple entry here, gang. Have to keep the same levels there. See how it reacts here. All right, I saw the 30 there. Let me go back to the 1 hour here. Just kind of wait. They might want to come down and make a bottom wick for this candle here. So drawdown could be a little steeper before we get the push up, or it could just take off from here. Either way, we're gonna have to wait. All right. Yeah, good observation. Yeah, I'll wait. Like I said, it could for sure. That should put it down here, right, Jose? That 35 pips is probably right around that bottom wick here, making the bottom wick here. Pineapple's in profit about 11 pips. Now I wanted at that entry, I clicked it right at that tip of that wick, but trade locker lags a little bit here, so it activated the trade right up here. So could have had a little bit of a better entry, but it's not too bad. Yeah, it's running about 14 pips, 13. Yeah. Yeah, I'm running 20 pips on the pineapple entry. And see, I mean, this 1 hour could actually just flip bearish. I mean, bullish, and just fly up. I'm gonna go be on the second entry, just in case. Yeah. All right, I went break even on the second entry. There's no risk on that one. It's running 21 pips now, so let's see. We get the full flip. It's moving up nicely here. A little 5 minute real quick. Wanna Yeah, it's the order block right here. Yeah, it's right around this area here. Actually right up here. Yeah. All right. Well, this candle has about 18 minutes left to closure. It is up 32 pips, the pineapple entry. It's not bad. It was a flip on the 1 hour here. We're about to go into profit here. We're only under 1 pip here. Look at that, it's coming back down here. Yeah, was that Sean? Take profit trade. It's a lot of so much delay. Yeah, I mean it's delayed. It's moving slowly to get up there, but it can start pushing up. We should get some volume pretty soon. Start helping this thing start moving up here. But again, it could still potentially come to this area and tap into this level here before we get pushed up. But it came down, broke the previous lows and popped back up. So that's also a good sign. If this thing can start moving up, re-break its own high and start driving up, that's possible. But again, we could also expect a little more drawdown before it pops up. I'm break even on the second entry though. If anything, if that was to happen to get stopped out at BE, it comes down a little further, I might look for another pineapple entry in this area here before we take off. But I'll let it play out and see. It might remain respecting this support now as well. So it might be coming down, tapping in, pushing back up, and so on. All right, gang, hang tight. Oh, okay. Looks like it wicked me out at BE. on the pineapple. All right, that's fine. It was worth a shot. So we're gonna keep coming down here. Three two six two. Jose, didn't it tap? Oh no, what's this? Oh, right here. Okay, I see it. Yeah, right at that bottom wick area. I want to see. Yeah, it might come down here. It already wicked me out on the pineapple entry there, so definitely came all the way back down. Yeah, I'll probably take another pineapple there too. But I might adjust the stop loss then. I might move it down to right below this candle right here. If I take that second entry then. Here we go, coming down. It's 4 minutes left. Let's see how. Yeah, let's see how that 1 hour opens. Yeah, we don't get a top wick and it starts ripping down. That's a perfect sign for entry. Here we go. We're coming down here, Jose. Look at this. Excellent. Stop. We got 7. Yeah, I'm gonna adjust this. Because I'm looking to take a pineapple entry here. So I'm gonna adjust the stop loss to an extra 30 pips for myself. And we got 2 minutes to a new candle opening too, so this should be interesting here. I feel like we might tap right into that FEG right here, that area. Maybe we should get the bounce from there. Let's see. We're about to make this bottom wick here. There goes. On top wick. This top. Should come down though a little bit more. If anything, this candle already made that bottom wick for this candle here. I want to see a little bit of a steeper wick and then the pop up. What? Oh yeah. Yeah, but look at that. Yeah, it could probably still come down a little bit more. A little bit of a steeper wick, but it doesn't look like it wants to. And this is a 4-hour bottom wick here. Look at this 4-hour close super bullish, broke resistance. Now it came down, made a bottom wick. This 4-hour should flip, but I'm trying to get the entry off the All the time frames here. It could still give me I need a bottom wick here. Yeah, it's right in there. That's what this candle ripped up too. There we go. We're coming down here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a pineapple. Yeah, it tapped into that FEG. All right, took a buy here, gang. All right. Yeah. I took the buy. I'm not concerned, excuse me. Apologize, a little bit tired. Yeah, my stop's at 3357. If it comes down here, then fine. If any reverse is gonna happen, I'm expecting it from around this area here. So let's wait on it. If it comes down and breaks down, yeah, I'm okay with the L there. Oh, stop loss, I forget. I wish I could just drag it. Like on my phone, I can just drag it. Here, I gotta freaking type it. Does anybody know this? Is that something I could set up on my settings here? On the, you know, what is it, the laptop? I would like to have that just to click and drag it. All right. Yeah. Yeah, my stops are just below this 1 hour candle right here. That's it. That's all I'm willing to risk here. And I took a pineapple entry here. So yeah. Gold's gonna flip. It's gonna flip from here. If not, if it just keeps going down, it's more likely gonna come down to the bottom of the range right here. So I'll get stopped out right here. Yeah, fluidity. I took a buy here on this breakout, and then when it well, it had come down to retest. Then when it popped up, we had taken an entry. Then it came back, took me out. And once it came back and retested a second time, then on the flip up, I took the buy when it flipped bullish, but then it reversed. I just took a second entry here, right at this level here, but yeah, stops are tight on this one though. It's about 30, 38 pips or so. So now I'm waiting on it, but yeah, we keep driving down. More likely we're gonna hit the bottom of the range here, probably even continue to move further down. I had taken another entry right around here, and then when it popped up, I went break even. Then it popped back down and took me out. Yeah, this week has been wild, bro. It sure has, bro. I mean, I feel like we might make the, this move up. Perhaps, that's my estimations. We'll make a little bit of a push up, but right around this area, I think this thing is gonna roll over, and I think we'll drop all the way down to I don't know. We probably hit like what, that 32.50 range. Ah, fluidity, you're in profit then, brother. Look at this. Wow. Yeah, this is again a strong bullish 4-hour candle. I expected a bottom wick on the 4-hour and then the flip, but sometimes these wicks can be super steep. Look at all these wicks too. A lot of liquidity down here too. But yeah, hoping the 4-hour would reflip bullish here. But there's a lot of time. About 3 hours left on that 4-hour candle, so let's see if we survive this bottom wick and take it from there. If not, then this thing again might come and tap the bottom here before it might make a push back up. But right around this area, if we wick down and then reflip, that'll be good too. But it's a very young candle. I mean, it's only 9 minutes old, so I'm just hoping we can survive this bottom wick and then this thing can just reflip and continue to move up. Yeah, I couldn't open my trading view, man. Ooh, this thing's coming down. What is that? Yeah, it's about some stop loss here. Yeah, we get stopped out here. I'll just let that be. No need to get crazy. No need to get crazy. Yeah, with this pineapple, even at stops, then I'm up my account. So that's as much as I'm willing to risk. And tomorrow's another day. Yeah, but this is still a very young candle. 11 minutes old. It's coming down, aggressively. We got some volume. At least we got that going for us. Let's see if this thing will reflip. This was a nice move up. No top wick on the previous 5. Current 5-minute bullish here for now. All right, 1 minute close bullish there. 15. Bearish closure, top wick. 30 minutes still moving. All right, let's just keep waiting here and see. I'm gonna flip or continue to push down. Oh, yeah, I just got it right now, Fluidity. Hold on. Bring it up right here. Okay, yeah, I see. I see what you're talking about here. Wait, what time frame was this? Oh, this is the 8 hour. I don't even have that chart up, that time frame. Yeah, but it's interesting there, fluidity. Oh, we coming down here, gang. It's not looking good. Will we survive? Yeah, it looks like it's gonna tap here. Oh, wait, nope. Go back up here. Made a bottom wick for this candle and pushed up. We were awfully close to stops there. Let's see. We're still in it, gang. All right, now it's coming back down. Come on, go. Oh, that tapped me out here. Almost tapped out here again. Look at that. Wow. This thing is hovering right over my stop loss right there. It missed it by like a pip. And this thing is like hovering right over the stop loss and it keeps kind of slightly bouncing back up. Yeah, we're coming back down. If we get stopped out here, this thing is more likely not going to come and test this support, and if we break that, this thing is gonna come all the way to the bottom here. Yeah, gang, look, I'm you can see here I'm still in it. Wow, but it almost tapped me out. Missed my stop loss by very little. Got this little bounce here. Let's see if this be the flip here. Excuse me. Okay, it's getting late too. It's almost midnight out here. Gold's playing games here. Wow, but that's incredible though. It missed my stop loss by a little bit. So close. It just popped up. Let's see if we're gonna get the flip here. Oh, it's coming back down here. Will this be it for us here? Let's see. Creeping right above the stop loss again. One minute to 30-minute candle here. Yeah, it might tap me out here, gang. This is okay. Can't win them all. Ooh. Look at it right there. It's crazy. Wow, here we go. Oh, did I get tapped out here? Oh, there it goes. Wow, and look at then it popped up. Oh man. Yeah, stop me out, gang here. All right. That's fine. That's all I'm willing to risk tonight anyway. That's about like 1.10% of my account here. Man, it'll be crazy if this thing flips up now. Yeah, but yeah, if it made the move all the way down here, you can definitely see it made the bottom wick for these candles here. It's still possible, you know. Again, look at the 4 hour. You got that breakout, but it's extremely steep here. So see a new resistance form here, and this thing's gonna start dropping. So yeah, gang. Unfortunately, tonight wasn't our night. You know, I know there's opportunities. Um, you know, again, a break below this level could give us a sell to the downside, but you know, yeah, it's late, and you know, we gave it a shot. We took about 3 trades. We had that initial entry, second entry went into profit about 30 pips, and go back, took us out, and then that second entry just didn't play out for us. But it's all good, gang, right? We can't win them all, and you know, it's part of the game. I'm good. Doesn't make me or break me. You know what I mean? I knew what I was risking. saw the opportunity with the breakout, the retest, and then I thought we're gonna fly. But yeah, once we broke out, came right back into the range, and yeah, a lot of times that's what happens. So, but gang, we'll be back at it tomorrow, and yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Fluidity, Jose Trades, Sean, Courtney, Danny, Tony, Shorty. I mean, all my guys, bro. I appreciate all of you guys tuning in and supporting the channel every night. And you know, we get to chop it up, trade. We go over our own analysis of Fluidity. Always sending me some intel and his chart markups and stuff like that. That's all cool stuff, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, it's cool to interact like that. And you know, tonight we were on the losing side, so but we've had plenty of winning nights, so we'll take this one and roll with the punches, right? All right, gang. I hope everybody has a blessed night. And oh, my platform members, we will be trading the New York session tomorrow, so stay tuned. We got PPI coming in tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. So yeah, we should get some volume tomorrow. All right, everybody, have a blessed and safe night. Again, God bless. Again, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on the way out. All right, everybody, have a good one. Peace out.